Hello, I'm Chef Vivien, French chef. Today we will do the famous side dish in many French restaurants, baked potato. The baked potato, which is also could be in your house a dinner if you make it with bacon and put some little more things. So baked potatoes, simple recipe but very tasty when you like the taste of potatoes, which is cooked in aluminium, so it keep all the flavor of the potato. So for this we will need a nice potato with a tender pulp, tender meat inside. It should be big one, and you choose the type which is soft inside. And after this we will use cream cheese, but you can use sour cream in your taste, some shallot, some chives, and this will be already a good side dish potato. Today we will add a bit of bacon and it will be a little dinner. We take the potato, the foil, just some salt, and we close it inside like this. Potato is ready for one person. 1 hour, 180 degrees Celsius in oven. Up, we put in an oven. We will now fry some bacon to make a little taste of meat and a little bit of crispy as well, but it's not necessary. If you want just to make a side dish and you serve it with meat, you can not put. If you make just a side dish, you can avoid bacon, of course. So we put it in oven, because our oven is already on, for a while, 5-6 minutes, just to grill it. And this way we have time to make our sauce. We take our cream cheese. Cream cheese, it can be also as well sour cream or a mix of both. You can also take goat cheese if you like, fresh goat cheese. Now you will see what we put inside. Very simple and very tasty. A shallot, which we will ciselé. Ciselé is to cut very little. This way, then this way, then this way. And as you see, it's very little. So this go in the cream cheese. We have chives. If you like, you can substitute chives by dill, but personally I like with meat, I like chives. If you serve this potato with grilled salmon, for instance, maybe it would be nice to put some dill. And with meat, chives. But you can put parsley. Some people will also like some with maybe some roasted chicken. You can put some tarragon. Will be nice with chicken. Salt. Depending of your cheese, can be very salty, less salty. Pepper a lot, because this must be strong taste. It's cold, so every time when it's cold, you must to season it a little bit more than if it's a hot sauce. Very nice. I check how much chive and shallot, so it seems to be okay. Some drops of good olive oil, extra virgin, and some little drops of acid, lime juice, lemon juice, or vinegar. In my case will be French red wine vinegar. And our sauce is done. Amazing. When bacon and potato are ready, let's make the dressing. For dressing, if you serve with meat, you will put aside the meat. If you serve alone, you can make nice. You can do a little amount of big salt, big sea salt, like a mountain. And there we will put the potato on top. So now it's time to open or start the potato. Steam, nice steam. So now we open a little bit for the guest the foil this way, but we will keep it in the foil like this. So we open it a little bit like this, we press a little bit, and we put on top of the salt sauce. Be careful because it will start to melt when you will put on the hot potato, and more if it's sour cream. If it's cheese, it will be less, but take care of this. So up we take a quenelle of sauce, another one, hop, a little bit inside. Now I want to put some chives, very very fine chives, for taste and for decoration. This way. Some radish if you have. This way. 1, 2, 3. It's already a nice side dish. And now we make it dinner, light dinner, or better side dish, as you want. Crispy bacon, and this way. Hop. Wonderful. Here how it looks. I can stand to try it. So let's try it. So we take the cream and the hot potato. It's cold cream and hot potato. Take care, it's hot. But I already see the texture and the smell of the potato itself. Smells so good. But it's really good. Really, really tasty. Fantastic, amazing. Some people add garlic, but I don't like it because with the potato, this way you feel the potato. Very tasty. And a bit of bacon, just for pleasure. Write any comments and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.